Hello everyone, welcome. In this video you can watch how to make chicken tandoori with vegetable puree. I can say that it is a healthy, delicious and homemade meal. Ingredients: 3 chicken legs, a small piece of celery root, 3 garlic, 3 potatoes, 1 carrot and 2 small onions, cumin, thyme, ginger, red pepper flakes, black pepper and rock salt. A pan with a lid will be used for cooking. Cut off the ends of the chicken legs. You can burn the feathers on the chicken skin with a little fire. Create lines by cutting the chicken thigh with a knife. Add rock salt and rub with your hand. Prepare vegetables. Peel potatoes and other vegetables. Chop vegetables. Since these vegetables will be pureed, you do not need to chop them properly, just slightly large slices. I use celery as it is slightly aromatic, optional. Add some liquid sunflower oil to the pan and fry the vegetables. Stir fry the vegetables a little for 5 minutes. Heat the pan and add the chickens. After 2 minutes, turn the other side and wait another 2 minutes. Roast the chicken well and add the vegetables to the bottom of the pan. Add chicken thighs over vegetables. Turn the fire down to low. Cover the pan and cook for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Check the chickens after 45 minutes. Looks like it's not fully cooked yet, bones need to be released. After 1 hour, the chickens and vegetables were well cooked to our liking. Add the vegetables in a deep glass bowl. You can make a wonderful puree with the chicken broth. Add rock salt. Add some black pepper. A little ginger powder. Puree the vegetables with a blender. Add some sugar and mix. Prepare chicken boneless. Make larger pieces a little smaller. Add red pepper flakes. Add some cumin and black pepper. Add some garlic powder and thyme. Add salt, checking and mix. Two 30cm trays will be used. If you wish, you can make it in a single tray, or it is possible to make it in smaller plates. Add the vegetable puree and lay it on the bottom of the tray. Add the chickens. One tray of chicken tandoori will be enough for 2 people, so we made a meal for 4 people with 3 chicken legs. But the food is not quite ready yet. Fry the chicken tandoori in the oven for about 10 minutes. Fry in butter, add some ground paprika. Add the butter. A little strained yogurt and olive oil. This dish will be great with a thin bread like lavash or phyllo bread. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.